So we're doing this porous pave installation for the Seattle Housing Authority. We got turf mounds for kids to run up and down, and then the walking paths we're installing with porous pave. This has created a number of complexities for us as the installer of the porous pave, which is the third and final stage of the park installation. The first step was they created the mounds with soil, with compacted soil, covered that whole area with a cement slurry with shotcrete. The shotcrete created an edge, which you can't see, and then this artificial turf was installed on top of the shotcrete with a padding layer underneath it. Both of those pre-installations created a complexity for us as the installers of porous pave, and here's why. In order to install porous pave and to screed it in, you need two hard edges that are even. So in order to get our material installed, we had to spend a lot of time putting in this artificial plastic edging to create a straight and level line that we can use for screeding our porous pave. Additionally, the grades from one side to the other of the mounds in some cases were slightly different. If you look closely, you can see some blue rubber in the mix. This project was also complex in that we're doing 5 parts gray to 1 part blue. Now the material, the rubber, all comes in 50-pound bags. What we have to do for each mix is put in a bag of rubber, a bag of rock, and then 1/5 of a bag of blue rubber and 1/5 of a bag of rock, in addition to 1/6 more glue than we normally do. So it's complicated this project quite a bit, but the end result is going to look really awesome.